5 minutes later, I got the thing on. I guess I needed to focus. You know, camera. That's how you do it. CPU, the graphics card, you know, it's sitting right there. The RAM, the hard drive, and just the whole layout of the motherboard. Let's see. PS2 sockets or whatever. USB. Really don't know what this thing is for. Some kind of speaker system. That's Firewire and eSATA. 2 more, or actually 4 more USBs and a Ethernet and a sound system. And that's pretty much it. So hope you guys enjoyed it. And sorry it took so long. Hope you enjoyed me cussing at it. I know some of you do.